TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is leading innovation across industries such as oil and gas, food processing, aerospace, pharmaceuticals, nuclear energy, and chemical production. Today, let's focus on its impact in natural gas pipelines. In the natural gas industry, pipelines must withstand high pressures and extreme environmental conditions. The TATE machine delivers leak-proof and durable welds, ensuring the safety and efficiency of natural gas transportation systems. Its automated orbital welding system ensures consistent results, significantly reducing downtime during installation and maintenance. The machine's ability to handle diverse materials, such as carbon steel and specialized alloys, makes it ideal for critical natural gas projects worldwide. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, offering customizable OEM and ODM services. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share our video. Reach out to us at info@oaktate.com.